advertising. Today I want to talk about how you can find the best interest group to target in your Facebook ads. When you're making Facebook ads, there's 3 levels. There's the campaign level, there's the ad set level, and then the ad level. And it's in the ad set level that you target the audience that you want to target your ads with. And there, if you're a new business, you'll be using cold audiences, meaning people who never interacted with your business before. If you are a more established business, or if you had sales already, several sales, then you can target or you can make a lookalike audience from your previous customers or your email list. But also established businesses also target or test out the cold audiences, and that is interest groups. In there you can target different interest groups. For me, for instance, that will be something like coaches, consultants, or entrepreneurs, and you can type in the overall term or something that is related to your business, and then Facebook will come up with a lot of different suggestions. And it will also say how many people is in that interest group. Make sure that you don't choose an interest group that is less than 250,000 if your business is targeting globally or can take people from online. It's a different story if you're a local business and people have to show up to you physically. Then of course you can only target a limited area, and that's a whole different way of making ads. I'll get into that in a different video. But now in this one we're talking about people who can advertise and deliver their product online. So basically all over the world if they want to. So yeah, in the interest group there you type in some term that is related to your business, and a lot of suggestions will come up. And you may want to add all the different interests that would fit well with your business into the same ad set. But that's not a good idea, because then you won't know which interest group is performing well and which one is performing poorly. And not all of the interest group will perform as equally good. So even though the ad will overall will perform good, then there'll probably be some of the interest groups that are performing poorly, and you're wasting money targeting those. So what I recommend is that you only put in one interest per ad set, but only the ones that are over 250,000. Because then you can determine after a few days which ones are good and which ones are bad, and then you can turn off the bad ones, and you optimize your ads that way, and be more profitable that way, because you'll only be targeting the good interest groups. So comment below if you have any questions, or if you what you want me to talk about next, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with your friends. And also feel free to join our free Facebook group called Successful New Coaches, Consultants, and Entrepreneurs. There's a link in the description. And if you're a coach or consultant and you're looking for very inexpensive quality leads, then we are a Facebook, Instagram ad agency that specialize in getting quality leads for coaches and consultants.